as an example, I've tested this in most of my vehicles, not all of them because it's winter right now, and some of them I haven't pulled out of the garage. But even a car that gets very good gas mileage, like a Toyota Prius, already getting around 50 miles to the gallon or more. I've been averaging about 70 plus miles extra per tank with the tabs compared to without the tabs. Now it's very difficult to tell, so that's kind of a rough estimate because there's so many factors: how fast you're driving, uphill, downhill, into the wind, how hard the wind's blowing, downwind, all of those factors. But I've been doing this over several different tanks, several different times, similar drives, and seeing a pretty dramatic increase every time I use the tabs. I've gone on trips with the tabs, without the tabs. And so I think it's averaging somewhere around 70 miles further per tank. So if you break that down, if it's averaging about 50 miles to the gallon, that's about a gallon and a half savings. Gas right now in Utah on a low range is about $3.30 to around $4. So right around there for gas. So again, a gallon and a half, that's over $5 savings right there in a car that already gets great gas mileage. You take it to some of the other vehicles that I have where I've gone from around 13 miles to the gallon to 17 miles to the gallon, literally saving probably $10 to $15 every single time I fill up the tank. So even on the lowest scale, the $20 package at $4 per tablet, in the US, I think everywhere in the US, with most vehicles that take either gas or diesel, you're going to actually save more than the product costs. When you have a product that people save more than it costs, it becomes an absolute no-brainer.